gonna stalk them long enough for you to save me. And then, you know the rest.
God, do I ever! I can never unknow! These brain cells could have been used to formulate the perfect strategy to get us out of this game. Instead, they've memorized what kind of crayons you liked to eat when you were 4.
I liked the purple ones.
Yeah, I know, and the blue ones were too tart. If I tell you how to resurrect your hamster, will you leave me alone?
Dragon.
Kid, no language on Earth has a word for how little I care. A quantum supercomputer calculating for 1,000 years could not even approach the number of fucks I do not give